A few steps from the ancient village of Kato Mixorròuma, whose design references are many, the Cretan summer home is situated on a steep slope, following its orography. Inserted between an ancient oak tree to the west and an Aloni, a low circular stone construction used for agriculture, protected by the Archaeological Institute to the east, the house opens to the south, maintaining a more reserved and closed profile to the north towards the new village. The essential shapes and materials, stone, wood, metal, and plaster, have been employed with a contemporary language, yet echo traditional architecture. The main entrance from the north side leads directly to the living area, located on the upper level. The staircase, characterized by a funnel shape, directs the visitor's gaze without interruption to two focal points, reconnecting them to the outdoors and the surrounding landscape. Internally, it separates the living room from the kitchen and leads to the bedrooms and services located on the lower levels. The living room features a large corner door window that opens to the pool, creating a strong internal-external connection. The interiors showcase some touches of tradition. However, they do not compromise on modern comforts, preferring oak wood and its warm tones, as well as natural materials like jute, linen, and cotton fibers for fabrics. imposing staircase and the Avli courtyard become the fulcrum and distribution axis of the house, around which the three volumes of the house revolve, a clear reference to the typical houses of the region on its slopes. The pool, situated on one of the volumes of the bedrooms, assists in the function of controlling and absorbing solar heat. The custom-designed furniture recalls the mashrabiyah technique in their weaves, small elements inlaid with wood, assembled according to a geometric and complex design, form a narrow grid like the bay windows called kioski in Ottoman tradition that characterize the island. Thanks to specific design choices, the house does not require air conditioning. The staircase axis, in fact, acts as a natural ventilation chimney, especially useful for cooling in the summer, while the hill, in direct contact with the lower part of the house, favors a constant internal temperature. The masonry of the most exposed upper volume, thanks to its considerable thickness, has good thermal inertia.